Good morning, it's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60. And today I am just going to be doing some talking. Then I'm going to show you some products that I've really been liking, announce the winners. And when I get done just talking about just stuff, I'll put a time here somewhere where you can go just to hear about the products. I'm not going to tell you where to go to hear the winners. Even though I would love to do a giveaway today, I'm not going to, and I'll kind of explain why in a little bit, because I have some really nice things to give away. I'm also going to be putting up a video this week, and those of you who know me know that a company sends me stuff every probably 4 to 5 times a year, and then I put the video up and I can't comment to it. So you'll kind of know what I'm talking about. But in that video that I have already filmed, I said if you have any questions, just go to any video. So I don't want this to be a giveaway because I want them to be able to come to this video if there's any questions. And I will tell you right out front, I don't apologize, and I am not apologizing, but I look horrible in that video and I did not feel well. And I have never redone a video. And because I promise you, that is the best I can do at that moment. So far, this month has been very, very, very busy. My second oldest grandson's graduation party, and several other things in there. And it's going to be getting busier. I don't know if you watched the video. I will put it in here and below. Where my friend MaryEllen took me to St. Louis for a fabulous 65th birthday celebration. It was a 3-day celebration and it was wonderful. Well, sometime coming up soon, I am going to be going to see her in Texas. And I don't want to say when I'm going. Jim's not going to go because he doesn't want to. Because we'll be doing girl stuff. And also, when I'm gone to Texas, MaryEllen and her husband and I are going to take another trip. And then, so it's kind of it's from a Tuesday to a Sunday night. And a couple of the things I bought in here that I'm going to show you are because of this trip. So if you don't see me hanging around your videos and commenting on them, it will be because I'm gone. Speaking of commenting on videos, I've had several people ask me how they can comment on my video or how they can see what's in my description box. And I sent one woman a video and it really helped her a lot, and I'm going to link it below. I don't know this man, but he gives excellent instruction if you use a mobile device, how to comment, how to find the products people are talking about, how to read the description box. And I will put that below this video because I thought it was really helpful. It took me a long time to figure things out. And just when I think I've got it figured out, everything changes. And YouTube has changed a ton of stuff. Well, sometime in February, I was watching a video of Emily Noel 83. I watch all her videos. Love her. It was even before I watched the video, I checked my email. And this company said, I just heard your name mentioned on Emily's channel. And I wanted to know if you were interested in trying some of our products. Well, I had heard so many wonderful things about the company that contacted me, and I had never tried any products. And they sent me a ton of stuff, and it was Sigma. I've kept 5 brushes, and I have 8 brushes to give away and some other products, but that's going to be in a future giveaway. But I want to talk about the brushes that I used today to create this eye look. This is a simple eye look, but it's what I feel comfortable wearing during the day. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the brush. I kept the F35. It's supposed to be a highlight brush, and I did use it today for highlight. And I used some highlight on my cheeks today. But what I've been using, and I've been using these since February. I washed them as soon as I got them. And I tried to pick out brushes that I didn't have anything like. So today when I put on my makeup, I always have to use an eyelid primer. I can use Milani's, working pretty well. And after it kind of sets, I take this brush, I put it in my IT CC Plus powder with the with the 50 SPF, and I just take it all over my eyelid, just from top to bottom, and then I go around my eye. But I get sunscreen protection, and then I have a real blank canvas to apply the shadows. So this is the F35. These brushes are guaranteed for 2 years. And I've really heard so many, and I'm really happy with it. It doesn't move the skin around on my eyes at all. None of these did. And also, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I want you to know that. I do have a link that you can get 15% off at any time, and it even works on sale prices. I also am going to link, they're sold on QVC and they're sold on Nordstrom. So it would give you a variety of areas to look. And if you do use my link, I do earn a very small commission. But I just want to talk about the brushes. So this is the first one. But I want you to know what's really going on, you know. The second one is the E55. And this is to apply eyeshadow. It reminds me a lot, it reminds me a lot of the Elle shader brush, which is really a good brush. This is a little bit denser. And it comes to a point, and I don't know a ton about brushes. I just know what I like to use. And I use this to apply my eyeshadow on my mobile lid, and also to go under here and put a little bit of eyeshadow. So that's the second one I kept. The next one I kept was the E45, and it is a small tapered brush. And this look worked perfectly to put my color, the darker color, in my crease. And then I just kind of blended it up. I don't have a brush anything like it, and I like this one a lot. In fact, I love it. It works so well. And this is the E35, and it's a tapered blending brush. And this would be good to, and I did it today, to go when you want to do the transition above your crease, to go in there and work it in. You could even apply eyeshadow, although, I mean, it is firm and it gives a little bit, but I could apply eyeshadow with this. But I really like it, and I didn't have anything like this. And this is the last one. This is the E36, and it is a tiny blending brush. It is. And what I did with it is to deposit the color that I wanted right here, kind of blend it there and blend it up here, and I really like it. I am going to link, I just thought of something, since I am not that wonderful about describing brushes, I'm going to link a couple of videos that Mary Glitzy Fritzy did, and she did an excellent job going through brushes and saying how she used them, and she's super knowledgeable about brushes. So for my home, there are 2 items that I am absolutely loving, and one of them was a suggestion from one of my viewers. This is a chef's cut resistant glove. Only bought one, ordered it on Amazon. But I know when I got my mandolin that I love, even though it has a little thing that you go back and forth, you know, to do my vegetables, I cut I cut the end of my finger off. So what I do now is I just put my glove on, and I am much more protected. I wash these out by hand, let them air dry. You can use it on the left hand or the right hand. If I'm chopping, I'll probably use it on my left hand. If I'm using the mandolin, I'll use it on my right hand. But I didn't even know these existed. I've told you a million times, I'm on a ton of Coumadin, and I bleed, and that bled for about a week. Trying all my RN tricks that I could. It was not fun. And for my trip, I ordered packing cubes, and you'll never guess what color I got. Pink. I got a set of 6. I think they were around $25, and people have been using these for a long time, and I just never have, and I don't know where. I've seen so many people talk about them. I don't know where I heard about them. There's a great big size, a middle size, and a small size. And this one I've already got some plastic bags in. I don't know if I've told you what whenever I travel, I have an underwear drawer that I put things in when I think, well, this is the last time I'm going to wear them. Well, I take those on my trip and I throw them away, and I always have bags to tie up and throw them in the trash, and so I've got my bags in here, and then I'll put my underwear, and I'm going to see how this works. I think I'm really going to like it. It's vented, and you can see what clothes. I'm going to roll up my slacks, roll up my dresses, roll up my clothing. And I think especially since we're going 2 places, it will be a lot easier. But now's my very favorite thing I'm going to show you that I bought. And I am so impressed. I've used it. I'm going to keep it in here. And I'm going to show you. And anybody can use this. It comes with a little charger. It's this big. You open it like this. It is a tripod, but I don't think I'll be able to show you all of it. These little legs come down and they lock in place, and this extends. And it also has, and I haven't used this yet either, it has a remote control here. See, it'll go up high, and then you can get it to go down low. So I am super excited to use this, because when I'm gone, I plan on doing some filming, even maybe at the hotel, at the airport, at my friends. I do plan on filming, and I could not be more thrilled. I think it's a selfie stick, but do you know I have never put a selfie on anywhere. I'm just not into that, but you can use it as a selfie stick. And I'm thrilled to death with it. Those of you who have watched me for a while know that I have slept on a silk pillowcase for years. I also like silk sleep bonnets. Like if my hair was done, like last night I just slept on my pillowcase, and I haven't done anything to my hair today but brush it. Well, a company called MIK contacted me some time ago and asked me if I'd like to try any of their products. And at first I didn't respond, and then I thought, well, it's looks like a really nice pillowcase, and I responded, yes, I'd be glad to send it if they'd send me one for my subscribers. And they sent me one for my subscribers. Now I'm going to talk about it. And I'm going to compare it to another silk pillowcase I have. First of all, when you talk about MOMME, M-O-M-M-E, I'm pretty sure, and I could stand corrected, I'm never positive on anything, but that is the weight of the silk per so many yards. So something that is like an 8 MOMME is going to be a lighter weight silk, and usually less durable, than something with a higher number. Well, both of the pillowcases I'm going to show you, both are 19 MOMME, and they are lovely. This one was the one that I showed a long time ago. It's from Merv Silk. It's a luxury pillowcase, and it's wrinkled because I don't iron them. I wash them in a laundry bag, and I hang them up and they dry. And this is ready to go on my pillow. Either one of them are. It's silk on both sides, and it has the envelope where you take this over and it stays on your pillow. Well, I mean, it's lovely. You can't see through it. The silk is lovely, and it's silk on both sides. And I think this is $26. I think this one's $26. This is the one I received from MIK Silks, and it is gorgeous. Of course, I love the color. It has a zipper, a hidden zipper. They're both the same size. They're both queen. It feels absolutely wonderful. The back is cotton, so it is not all silk. I think this is $16.99. I'll put my Amazon link, and then I'll link their company if you're interested, because if you watched it here, you get a 15% off discount, and I don't make any money from it. It's just one for you to use. So depending on how you sleep, I mean, this is a fabulous deal. $16.99, 19 MOMME silk, and it sleeps great. But my only problem is, and I've always been this way, the way things feel to me are super important. The silk's perfect on both of them. But I sleep on my back, and so often I have my hands up underneath my pillowcase. And I love silk that I touch with my hands. And also, sometimes I flip it over. If I were buying it, I would buy the one that's silk all around. But if you don't flip your pillow over, and if you don't stick your hands underneath the head, this is a fabulous deal at $19. I would like to announce the winners of last week's giveaway. But first of all, I want to mention there were so many great suggestions you shared with me on how you take care of your lips. I'm going to link that video below. So if you want to go and see how other people, what they do for their lips, you can do that. The winners are the Lancinol Cream and the Prep and Prime set that contains the lip brush I love are Brenda V. Congratulations, Brenda. Nicole Dodson. Congratulations, Nicole. And the last winner is Paula Schramm. Make sure you comment below and let me know how to get, and I'll let you know how to get in touch with me. I want to congratulate the winners, all three of you. I'll get to answer my comments today because this isn't a giveaway. Thank you all so much for your support, for your comments, for your thumbs up. I appreciate each and every one of you more than you will ever know. You have no idea how much. I mean, I am 65 years old from Podunk, Illinois, and I cannot believe how many people watch my channel. I truly cannot believe it. And I appreciate you. It is all good. You guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. You take care. It 50 SPF with